but the fellow who is sitting in the administrative tribunal should be suspended because he doesn't know how to work it. Here there is a representation come and he just transfers the file. Is he competent?
Please.
This is the issue.
Mr. Luel, let us, we do not know remember one thing, the president of the administrative tribunal is a judicial officer. That judicial officer must be having his or her reasons why some
I think
decision is
so.
taken.
Opponents were nominated as administrators. These should be valid permissions. I know why now these things are being, there is a lot of delay tactics
Sir,
to avoid this filing of the cases by the Communidade.
Sir, under Article 9, the administrator has got powers.
But he doesn't have cases report to the government forward. I want to file two negative declarations is not being done.
So just may clarify, sir, under Article 9, in urgent cases, the administrator is vested.
No, but why is it different?
You have to put on the case in a nice way.
It is not.
He can be convinced with the urgency.
Two cases for negative declaration filed for
Yeah,
BC.
your point is
Your
Why has the Communidade has power?
I think so the administration
for negative declaration.
Please, let us not take too much of time on this. Because these are individual cases that we are discussing.
My case will be reported to the government by the administrator.
There is no question of the administrator referring to the government.
If the managing committee takes a decision that some tenant,
Please.
if the managing committee, you see there are, although we say that as per the Communidade code, that we do not recognize the 114 form because that's a revenue department document, but ultimately in reality, it's the records of the current recording of the land under the form 114 that helps us to carry on with our day-to-day administration. Now, if the managing committee has checked that some particular tenant recorded in the 114 is not proper, if the current revenue laws say that you have to file for a negative declaration and get into say that I have been falsely, wrongly, whatever, entered into that. Now, to get Communidade's land back to the Communidade itself, why we have to require government? You are not selling land, you are only getting it.
No, I think it's individual cases we can discuss.
We have filed for negative declarations.
Mr. Sir, please complete. Since you are on the podium,
Moderator,
Yeah.
Mr. Gure, see what happens. I understand the problem of my friend Benedict or before that Romano. See what happens, although all those big resolutions sound very good and we all celebrated, but these are routine issues where our managing committees are running from pillar to post to sometimes resolve small issues. So I think some message, I don't say a resolution, some message should go to the government that